So the truck is right up there. We're gonna walk down through here. This is actually the canyon, the Black Canyon that the Gunnison is in, but this is downstream a little bit from the park. Actually downstream about, I don't know, 30 miles. But it's the same canyon. That's where the waterfall. Oh, but the steps. I'm right below the dam. This is below the dam to the Currecante Recreational area. These steps are weird. It's like 2 steps and down, 2 steps and down. We were up there yesterday. We looked down at this place in my other video, so I wanted to come down here. And it's like 7 in the morning. It's early. There's nobody in the parking lot but us. Okay, when I come back, I got all these steps. And I got a blocked artery in my left leg. The main artery in my left leg is 100% blocked for 6 inches long. And the only reason I'm still walking is because I waited so long with the COVID, I didn't want to go in the hospital. And I kept walking on this leg even though it was blocked. The doctor, when he was looking at it with the ultrasound, he said, "How long did you wait to come in? I can tell you waited a long time to come in here." And I said, "Doctor, how you know I waited a long time to come in here?" And he said, "You've grown new arteries around the blocked artery. I guess once you get over 60, you gain the ability to grow new arteries. You can't do it when you're younger, but you can when you're older." And he said, "I've got a whole set of new arteries growing around that 6-inch blockage. That's why my leg hasn't fallen off. But I can't do as well as I used to. The arteries are small. They don't carry the blood the big artery did. But I've been walking. Walk till it hurts. If you make it hurt, make it have pain, the arteries enlarge. And I've been doing that for 6 months, preparing for this trip. So I am walking this, believe it or not, with a 100% blocked artery in my left leg. But I've got a whole set of smaller new arteries growing around it. And that's how we're doing what we're doing. But on the way back up, I guarantee you I will have to stop occasionally. Because you don't get enough blood, the muscles deplete oxygen, and then you start having pain. And you just stop. If you just stop for a minute, let it circulate, let your muscles get oxygen back again, and then you can walk for another 5 minutes. Warning, sudden change in river level can occur at any time. I don't think they're suddenly going to let some water out of the dam because the lake's already so damn low already. You can't see the dam, but the dam's right around the corner there. And this is the canyon that the Black Canyon is in. Except now we're at the bottom of it. I guess there's a boat tour you can take down through here. There's a boat that goes up and down here, and you come down here and get on it somewhere. So last night we were up there at a viewpoint, and I could see that platform that we were just on, and I can see this trail. So I'm not sure where that overlook is up there. Well, we were on the way to the Black Canyon, and there was an overlook up there. And that's how I saw this place. I'm not gonna walk real far. I'm just gonna go down here to the sunshine, get a couple shots with the camera, and then head back up. We're on our way to Utah today. We're leaving Colorado, exploring the gorge. Steep, deep, dark, and forbidding, the canyon in which you now stand has long inspired human awe and respect. The Ute Indians probably avoided this gorge. Later travelers found it a challenging obstacle. But Captain John Gunnison, who they named the town of Gunnison after right up here, explored this area in 1853. His goal was to locate a possible railroad route. His party found a chasm so imposing he gave up his plan to follow the river into this canyon. Gunnison's name endures in this county in spite of his failure to establish a railroad. Over 30 years later, another group surveyed the depths of the Black Canyon of the Gunnison for the construction of a railroad. So they did eventually put in a railroad. It's like 30 degrees this morning, okay? It's cold. Oh, I hear it echo. Woo! Ew! It's definitely an echo. Woo, 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 woo! Yeah. Ooh, it's kind of neat up here. They couldn't give up. I don't know how a boat could come up through here. The boat tour must be on the lake. And right here is a sign that talks about how they did build a railroad. Swirling snow, cold, and wind assailed this canyon during the winter of 1881 to 1882. Through it all, the walls rang with the sounds of hammer and chisel. General William Jackson Palmer was building this Denver and Rio Grande railroads through the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. So we're walking on the railroad bed. That's what this trail is. This is the railroad bed. And he took a 3-foot narrow gauge railroad. Narrow rails and smaller trains could easily reach the mountain mining camps and follow rivers like the Twisted Gunnison. Water from the river was used for powering the steam locomotives. In August 14, 1882, the first train chugged through the Black Canyon. For the next 67 years, carloads of coal, ore, and livestock, as well as passenger cars, traveled this route. There's the sunshine. That's as far as I'm going. I'm going to stand in the sunshine for a second and warm up, because it is cold. 30 degrees, people. It's cold. It should warm up to about 75 a little later. But this is 7 a.m. Actually, it's about 7:30 a.m. by now. Maybe 8. No later than 8. But it doesn't really matter, because here time stands still. All these rocks just come down. Oh, I'm almost to the sunshine. I was wondering, because of all the rocks piled up down here to make this trail, I kind of wondered why they went to so much trouble to make a walking trail. I heard something move over here. Sunshine on my shoulders will make me warm. I won't be happy till I get the truck. See, I can sing off key just like everybody else. Man, someone put a rock in the trail. Fell down from up there. That would not be good to get smashed by a rock. Looking at like in the canyon of the Gunnison, how all the granite has squeezed through all the little cracks in the rock and hardened way back when, millions of years ago. See that? Now you can cut that, shine it up nice and smooth, and it makes a real pretty countertop in your kitchen. This is the kind of stuff they use for that. Travel transformed. The tracks were removed in 1949, but the trestles and rail bed remain. Most of the rail bed has vanished under rising waters. Today, you're walking on all that's left is the railroad grade, but those who walk it may still feel the glory, wonder, and mystery of this place. Oh, the sunshine. That's what I was wanting. The sunshine. It's still cold. The sunshine ain't helping, it's cold. It's 30 degrees cold, it's just cold. I'm gonna have snot hanging from my nose by the time I get back. I'm gonna tell people, I got COVID, get away. Oh, that does feel a little warm. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna walk through this corner, and then that's it, people. And I'll be out of the sunshine again anyway, so I don't wanna. It's relaxing, you can hear the water. Well, I took that truck up to the Crystal Mill yesterday. As far as wheel welling goes and how difficult the road is, they say that that's a number 4 difficulty. So that was my beginning. The only thing I did, I bent my running boards up a little bit, but I can straighten them out later. So look at the granite in that rock. That's neat. They got some little places you can rest. My left calf is hurting right now, but I think I can go a little farther. I've gotten it to the point where I can just continue walking, it just hurts. For a while I could only walk a quarter mile, and then I kept walking and walking and make it hurt, and then I went a half mile, and I kept walking and walking, made it hurt, and then I was able to go a full mile, and that's about the extent that I can go right now at a shot without stopping, is a mile. But the surgery is about $4,000. I went in for the surgery earlier this spring. They put me on the table. Nice little rapid there. But they put me on the table, and they put this special dye in you. It's really bad for you. You can only take it for like 20 minutes. But as soon as they put the dye in you, your entire circulatory system lights up on this screen. Your entire body. It's like something out of a movie. But when that happened, they suddenly saw something inside my chest that was blocked way worse than my leg. And they only had 20 minutes to use the dye. So they fixed that instead, and they left my leg. So I still got a blocked artery. But what they unblocked in there stopped all the pain in my back, and all the pain in my kidneys, and all the pain in my bladder. Everything hurt. I feel good now. Other than I got this blocked artery in my leg, which I'm dealing with. Now I may go back in. My sister said I should go back in and just get the surgery, because I could go back to walking, 5 miles of the shot without stopping if they unblock it. And I did quit smoking. I quit smoking in the spring after I seen what was happening to my body. He said it was from the smoking. Look, you can see the water level. See that? Where the water level can suddenly come up. That would reach just about to this trail. Oh well, I was going to go around to the corner, wasn't I? I don't want to break my promise to you people. Let's walk down here, and then I'm going to head back. I was thinking I should have brought my walkie-talkie. I bought these walkie-talkies that reached 40 miles so I could talk to the old lady while I was hiking. I kind of forgot about them. This was my first chance to use them. Then I would be talking to her instead of you. Oh, there's around the corner. There's the spot where you must get on that boat. There's some kind of a boat tour. You must have to walk all this way to get onto the boat for the boat tour, because I don't see the boat going through them places up back up yonder. So the river must calm down here for a while. I don't know, he could go up the river, I guess, and then down the river and then come back. Do a little boat tour of the canyon. You gotta make a reservation. It says no walk-ons. Okay, that's as far as I'm going. There's the canyon. And there's where the boat would pull up. The boat's probably done for the season. There's probably, I don't know where they took it out, or how do you even get a boat into this place? But I don't know. Now I'm probably going to turn the camera off because we're walking into the sun going back. I don't know, it might make some interesting video here walking into the sun, I don't know. In the canyon. Really shining off of the water. Almost hurts my eyes. It's so bright, even what's reflecting off the water. You get blinded and fall over the side into the river. Ooh, you can see the power lines up there. For the power plant for the dam. Okay, I'm gonna shut the camera off and just walk. And then we're gonna head to Utah. I'm gonna be taking a back 4-wheel drive type road from Montrose all the way west of the way over the mountains. So we'll be filming some of that. That's what's neat out here. You can just go here and take these back roads, get a 4-wheel drive and take these back roads and just see some shit that most people don't see. And get away from the people. That's what this vacation is. See, look, right here. This is a COVID vacation. This is what we planned. This trip is a COVID vacation. We're not around people. I brought all my food with me. I only have to talk to people to get gasoline. So, and we're going to some great places coming up. As long as I can find them and I don't get lost. Which seems to happen every trip. Okay, I found me a nice rock to sit on. My leg's starting to hurt. My left leg. It's the lower calf. The blockage is just above the knee, so the calf is what really hurts. I'll just stay here for a minute and I'll be okay. You gotta let the muscle get oxygen. Wait till it stops hurting. Actually, wait till it stops hurting and then give it like 2 more minutes so it can, it'll stock up on oxygen a little bit. And then I can go away. This is the first time I've stopped though. I've done good. I walked the whole way to the end and about halfway back. I knew coming back because I'm going uphill. It's going to hurt worse. That's okay. When it hurts, it's causing the arteries to grow bigger. So, the more I do this, the more I can do this. If that makes any sense. Anyway, it's really nice down here. And if you haven't watched my other films just before this, I got lucky with some wildlife. I got some bighorn sheep. Got some really nice footage of the bighorn sheep. And then a bald eagle. I got a bald eagle eating his rabbit for dinner. And it was amazing. It was in the middle of nowhere. It was just me and him. There was nobody around. And he was huge, the biggest bald eagle I've ever seen. He was as big as a turkey. Maybe he was a turkey that went gray on top and made him look like a bald eagle. I don't know, but I can't wait to see the film when I get home in HD. And then a crow come along. When he's about halfway done eating the rabbit, a crow come along, a big old crow, sat beside him and wanted some of the rabbit. And the bald eagle didn't want to give him none. So they tussle a little bit, off and on. It's about a 10-minute video, just the bald eagle. I even had the camera on a tripod, on a bridge. So I got a good, steady, solid shot of him. I'm almost to the steps, I think. That's gonna take me a while. I just spotted the overlook that we saw yesterday. It's up there. Look close, there's a fence. Yeah, see the fence? Yeah, that's where we were standing last night. That's how I knew this was here. So the steps are right up here. Okay, we're back to the steps. My calf is hurting. There might be a seat up here. just some stuff holding the road up. That road goes back to the dam. We can't go back there. Sounds like a hell of a waterfall down there. Oh yeah, there's a bench. Oh, I'm resting that before I head up them. Alright, there's the last bench. Up all these stairs to the next bench. I do good on flat. I do real good on downhill. Uphill and stairs. Tough. Just want to show this map. Since we're right here, is where we're at. And this is the recreational area, and this is the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Almost there. The truck is right there. But my leg is giving out. That is, I'll probably pick you back up in western Colorado as we go through the mountain pass. So we'll see you there. That'll be a different video. So this is the end of this video. So see y'all later.